Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video is about my presentation for industrial training. My name is Jonathan Vijayanes, and the place that I have chosen for my industrial training is Borneo Royal Hotel Tawau. It is located in Eastern Plaza, which is at Jalan Kohara, Mile 1, postal code 9191000, Tawau Sabah. The facilities that we have here provided in the hotel is gymnasium, spa, restaurant, bar, and also the meeting and event room. There are several types of rooms that are provided here, which is superior rooms, deluxe room, junior suite room, royal deluxe room, family room, royal junior suite, executive suite, presidential suite, premier, and finally premier presidential suite. One of the main attractions in Tawau is the Tawau Tanjung Market. So many people usually ask where is the direction to the Tawau Tanjung Market. As the starting point, which is this hotel, Borneo Royal Hotel Tawau, we usually explain the duration will take about 5 to 8 minutes of driving. The distance will be about 2.3 kilometers, and the name of the road is Jalan Kuhara. So the landmark that our guests that we will explain that they might see the highway or the seaside road, and also there will be an eagle roundabout. The most efficient way is to provide map. During our first day at the front office department for orientation, we are required to train ourselves in welcoming and greeting guests. The second one, we required to learn how to entertain and responding to guest inquiries. And finally, as a front office department, we must know our products. In these pictures, we provided several information that you might want to know, such as the room types and also ballroom or meeting room that is located at the 6th and the 7th floor. The picture given below on the lower side of the screen, on the lower right of the slide presentation, we have 4 pictures there, which is a cafe at the 7th floor, gymnasium at the 5th floor, grand ballroom at the 6th floor, and finally the lobby lounge at the ground floor. We are all, as the front office, we are required to maximize revenue. So how do we do that? Usually we sold superior rooms, but if there are a lot of people, especially family, we will offer them to buy the family room package, which is way cheaper and way easy because the family room consists of connecting room and breakfast and dinner are included. For the deluxe room, we would also offer our guests to buy the Royal Deluxe package, which the room consists of bathtub. It's a nice view since the room is at the higher floor. We also encourage our guests to book from online, as there are many promotions from time to time. These are 5 options that we are using for our online booking. These are the technology devices that I use in the front office department. Agilysys Visual 1, Agilysys Visual 1, a Dell lock system, smart card reader, and also Pace's credit card machine. We are also required to know how to handle a telephone call. First, we must be prepared. First, we must always be prepared with at least a pen and pencil. First, we must be prepared with at least pen and paper. Then we greet the caller with Salam Mesra, good morning, a good afternoon or good evening, and so on. And we must make sure to let the caller finish his or her question before answering it. Third, we must use our proper identification, such as Salam Mesra, Borneo Royal Hotel, how may I assist you? Or internally call reception. Salam Mesra reception, Jonathan speaking. 4. Speaking at the right tone. We must speak in a warm and comforting tone, soft, deep voice, and not too slow. And finally, we end up the call courteously. Always say thank you. Next is the check-in procedure. First, we will be prepared for arrival of the day. As soon as how we prepared is we assign rooms. We print out registration card of our incoming guests, issue booklet and meal voucher. We will also issue our key card that will be used for our guests. And finally, we will file the registration card. Next is how to check in our guests when it's time to check in. We greet our guests and we ask for the guest name, identification card, phone number, and lastly, guest signature at the registration card. The payment method that we accept in this hotel is by cash, debit card, and also credit card. There are two types of payment that is already made, which is payment by travel agent or payment on personal account. After they have made payment, we escort our guests and inform them about their room floor, room number, and also the location for the breakfast. Checkout procedure. For the checkout procedure, we must prepare all the form and bills for the guests to settle. The night shift receptionist will print out a list of departure and guests, and he or she will prepare the guest's registration card at the rate given. So, how do we check out the guests when it's ready? Welcome the guest and greet with a smile. We ask for guests to return the key. We check the keys, and after we confirm the keys, we will search for the guest's room number inside our agility system. According to the agility system, we will refer to the prices, whether the guest required to be refunded or not. If required, we have to fill in the refund voucher. After it is done, we ring the concierge bell to inform our staff to help with the guest's luggage. And before they go, we offer them to stay again in the hotel in the future. After the guests left, we update all the records at the front desk, including posting on the system, detach transaction and registration card, delete the guest key card, and finally, we sanitize the key card. What are the usual complaints that I have received during my training session? A lot of comments about the room is lacking of standard. My suggestion is to add more workers, especially in the housekeeping, to improve room standard. The other complaint that we receive are same price, same room, but other hotel amenities better. So my suggestion, we prepare a complete list for room amenities. That's it from me. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.